Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Dollar Tree wreath. Everything on here is Dollar Tree except for this ribbon scrap right here and then this mesh from Joann Fabrics. Dollar Tree does sell the purple mesh, so you should not have a problem finding it. I also used vase filler, obviously a Dollar Tree sign, and then some Dollar Tree ribbon, which is really cute. It reminds me of Peeps. So if you want to see how I made this project, then keep watching. So for today's project, we're going to need a 14-inch wreath frame and this little sign from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use this ribbon from Dollar Tree. This one's really cute. It reminds me of Peeps. I have this glitter vase filler. And then I've also just pulled out some random blue ribbon from my stash. I don't think I'm actually going to use this, but I pulled out anyway. And then I've got this roll of mesh from Joann Fabrics. You're also going to need hot glue gun, pair of scissors, and some pipe cleaners. The first thing you're going to want to do is take 6 pipe cleaners and cut them directly in half, and then go around the center 2 rings or rungs of the wreath form and just secure them around like we normally would. So if I put this through it, here's my pipe cleaner. I'm just going to find the center and twist. So I've cut up 6 pipe cleaners, and these are all ready to have mesh put on them. So the next thing we're going to do is open up our roll of mesh, and I'm just going to cut this at 14 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 14, why did I say 14? 24 pieces, just like this, and then we'll be back. Alright, so now we're going to start making our ruffle bunches. So I'm going to take this, lay it flat this way, put my thumbs at the bottom of the mesh, and start scrunching. So now we have this thing right here. So we're going to open our pipe cleaners up so they're facing like this. They're going vertical across the bars that we attached them to instead of horizontally. We don't want them horizontal. We're going to lay the mesh horizontal. And so we're going to pinch and twirl to secure it down. Then we'll do another piece. The same exact way. And we're going to go on that other pipe cleaner on that same section. So there's 2 pipe cleaners per section of the wreath, and secure it the same horizontally, and then shove up the 2 mesh pieces in the middle. So I'm going to go around and do that to all 12 pipe cleaners. Alright, so the whole first layer of this is done. I don't know how well you can see it, but the whole first layer is done. So now we're going to take our pipe cleaners, and now we're going to open them up horizontally instead of vertically. Now we want them horizontal because now we're going to put the second layer of mesh vertical over this. So same thing, just ruffling it up. I'm going to go ahead and attach it over onto my wreath form like so. I'll do another one. And again, these are being placed vertically this time instead of horizontally. So it's starting to get fuller right here. So again, I'm going to go through, do all the rest of the 10 pieces on this. Okay, so now as you can see, this whole thing is covered and nice and full. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add in the ribbon. And all I'm going to do is take this in 10-inch pieces and fold. So right where the 10-inch mark was, I went ahead and folded it. Now I'm going to go down all the way to the end of this. So there's the end, and I'm going to fold it backwards. Go all the way to the other end again. Fold. Until you run out of ribbon. So I have that whole roll of ribbon folded up. So as you can see up here I have folds, and down here I have folds. You're just going to take your scissors and go in between all those folds and cut. And that's how you can get even ribbon. And you can cut the ends of these however you want to cut them. I always dovetail for the most part. So you just fold it and then take your scissors and cut downward, and that creates your dovetail. So before I attach my ribbon onto here, I actually want to lay the sign down first. So I'm just gonna try to find where I like it. So I think right here should be about good. And I'm just gonna flip it over and go around the perimeter of this with hot glue. You can staple a mount to the back of this, and then use pipe cleaner to attach it or whatever, but this isn't gonna leave my house because we're all quarantined and no one's buying wreaths, so I'm just gonna probably give this one to my mother. So I think I like that. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the ribbon. I did go ahead and cut some of this blue ribbon too, just because there's a lot of purple going on here. I did it the same way, but about an inch shorter. And I'm just gonna lay it on top of the other one. And there we go. And I'm gonna scrunch it in the middle. So I end up with this. And then I'm gonna find all of our little pipe cleaners and start attaching these in. You don't have to put it on all of them. You might not have enough ribbon. I think I only have 10 cuts of ribbon. So I'm just gonna go around and put these where I think I need them. All right, we're looking cute now. And the last thing that we're gonna do is just pop on some of this base filler. I think I'm gonna put him on here. I literally just pulled him out of my drawer. This is also from Dollar Tree. And I think I'm just gonna sit him right on top, like peeking out of the wreath. Can you see that? Like a little cute bunny up here. Yeah, I like that. All right. So there's a little white bunny on top and a little white bunny on the bottom. And I'm just gonna hot glue him on. I put him so he's kind of like sitting. There you go. sitting on the top of the sign. Just because there's less ribbon detail up there, so that kind of offsets that just a little bit. And then the last thing that we'll do is just accent this up with this face filler. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on anywhere, really. Just with hot glue. And it's nice because they're all different sizes. You have blue, you've got yellow, pink, purple. And just place them anywhere, really. No rhyme or reason to it. Ooh, I have little green eggs. These are also from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use some of these little green eggs too to pull out some of this green because there's barely any green on this wreath. And that's one of those major colors on here. So pop a few green eggs on here. And what's funny about these little foam bits is that they don't really stick well with hot glue, and I don't really know why. I'm gonna put one right on that egg to make it pop a little bit. I'll take a small pink one as well. Pop it on there. And maybe do a yellow one over the green spot. Yeah, do that. Just to give it a little something. A little point of interest to pop the wreath just a little bit. Alright, so I think that's it. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so here's the finished product. You can definitely add more of the little colored vase filler or eggs if you wanted to. I think it's very cute. Has subtle little accents to it, and I think the little bunny on top is very cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this project a try.